Back here on Weather Command, we do want to focus on the tropics for a minute and bring you the newest information that we're getting in from the National Hurricane Center. It regards a newly formed tropical depression. It's TD3E, which is formed in the Eastern Pacific. You see it there. We also have Tropical Storm Boris and then post-tropical storm Amanda. Less concerned with Amanda. We are concerned, though, with both Boris and 3E. They have a cautionary tale, I think, to tell us. Even though these things aren't expected to become hurricanes, we are expecting some very heavy rain for Mexico, for Nicaragua, for Honduras, for Guatemala, especially because of 3E. 3E, by all accounts, looks to be a pretty slow mover. I want to start with the newest information that we're just getting in, and it does regard this latest advisory and the first advisory, 35-mile-per-hour winds, so it is technically a tropical depression. According to the National Hurricane Center, it's moving north at 7, and that pressure is at 1,006 millibars. What it's going to do is meander along the coast for the next several days. It's entirely possible that we won't have a landfalling storm until maybe Friday morning, but it is going to bring some very heavy rain. Think of areas of low pressure in the northern hemisphere and the direction that they spin winds around. That's counterclockwise. So that's going to sling in moisture from the Pacific into Nicaragua, into Honduras, into El Salvador, and Guatemala, which is where we have now tropical storm warnings that are in effect. You look at the overall cone and you see how it very well could be, where this might make a landfall as early as tomorrow afternoon. If it stays right of the cone, it would be over land and we would see it lose its intensity. But really, the story isn't so much about intensity as much as it is a slow-moving storm that has significant implications regarding the very heavy rain. And we will see this thing strengthen some, about 50 miles an hour or so, I think, is the peak intensity, Marissa, that we're going to see with 3E. Not to ignore the fact, I'll go back to the cone since it's just the newest information. This will become Christina, it looks like.
Yeah, I think off the Central American coast. So we've had our A, B, and C name storms, once we do get that C name, all within the span of a week. So things, you know, the Eastern Pacific season does begin a little bit earlier, but you're also talking about the B and the C name storms that are having an impact on land, where you have two forecast cones that do involve land interaction. Of course, the proximity of land and development does aid in keeping this thing at bay with intensity. So you have that.
That's helpful.
But a lot of moisture.
This is the newest advisory from Tropical Storm Boris, which has been with us all morning. Boris was named early this morning. It actually... both areas that we're watching, 3E and Boris, have some impressive signal with those storms building. 40-mile-per-hour winds, so that has held steady. We haven't seen much in the way of changes. I want to give a different perspective, too. This is infrared. This measures cloud temps, so the brighter those colors, the colder the cloud tops. But you can clearly see how we've got two areas that we're watching of particular note because there is a little bit of wind shear with 3E. You can see that spin, even that low-level spin with some of that action just off to the south. But one final note, wanted to show you what Boris and the cone looks like here. Acapulco could have some impacts as we head into the next 24 hours.